Key to English.
Our stay at the hotel. The doorman opened our car's door and welcomed us to the hotel. The doorman then took the luggage to the bellhop. Some other names for luggage are bag, suitcase, we walked up to the front desk to check in. She handed us the key. The bellhop asked us to follow him while he's pushing our luggage. The bellman was so helpful and friendly. Note that bellman is another way to say bellhop. After we showered, it was time to order breakfast from room service. Room service came up fast and the food looked delicious. After breakfast, it was time for us to relax and watch some TV. Can you guess what's next? Yep, you guessed it. We took a nap.
Key to English.